Hi guys, okay, I got something in my PO box, so I want to show you guys. This is a follower of mine that sent me for the second time. So she bought me from Ulta. Let's open this. Okay. Okay. The first thing is the Morphe M109 foundation brush. Okay. I definitely want to try more foundation brushes. Ooh, okay. What is this? This is the... Oh, buttery blend. So this is the trouble brush set, which basically everything, in mini collection. Oh my gosh, so cute. This will come out perfect. The last two things is the Morphe M108 foundation brush. And then I have the Morphe Buttery Blends. So now I have the whole collection from Morphe. So thank you. I will have everything linked above here if you guys want to get some for yourself.